Dear candidates, before we jump into the interview demo session, I just want to make one thing clear to you. This reel contains all the questions that test a candidate's mindset and the emotional maturity that he holds. So we will be exploring questions that reveal how you handle challenges, how to learn, how to grow. So these questions will be purely based on your mindset. So please go through these reels and the responses because this will surely be helpful for your upcoming interviews. Hello Nidhi, this is Priya calling from Technova Solutions. I hope you're doing well. So I was reviewing your details today and thought it would be good to speak with you directly. Let me know if this is a good time to begin. Hello Priya, thank you for reaching out. Yes, I'm looking forward to our discussion. We can go ahead. Great, so let's start with something interesting. Imagine you have faced with a completely unexpected challenge at work. What's your first step in approaching it? First thing I do is to stay calm and understand the situation clearly. I break the challenges into smaller, manageable steps and identify what needs immediate attention. If required, I quickly loop in my team to discuss the best possible solution. This helps me handle the situation efficiently instead of reacting impulsively. Nice approach. Now tell me, Nidhi, when you have multiple deadlines at once, how do you prioritize your tasks? I begin by mapping out all the tasks and their deadlines. Then I identify which ones have the highest impact on the project's success. I also check which tasks can run in parallel. So I stay flexible and adjust priorities when needed. And I make sure communication with my team and stakeholders is clear so everyone stays aligned. That's a structured way to work. So here's another one. How do you handle feedback, especially when it's critical? I look at feedback as a growth tool. When I receive critical feedback, I listen fully, ask for examples to understand better, and reflect on how I can apply it. This mindset helps me improve continuously and show progress in my performance. Good. Now let's talk about teamwork. So when you encounter a disagreement within a team, how do you handle it while maintaining harmony? I focus on listening first. I think people want to feel heard. I try to understand their perspective fully and look for the common interest that both sides are sharing. Once that's clear, it becomes easier to collaborate and find a solution that supports the team goals and keeps the environment positive. Great. So one last question to you, Nidhi. What inspires and drives you in your professional journey and how do you maintain that motivation? What drives me the most is the chance to keep learning and create meaningful impact through my work. I set personal and professional goals for myself, track my progress, and celebrate the small wins. It keeps me grounded and motivated no matter how challenging the goals are. Thank you, Nidhi. I genuinely enjoyed this conversation. So, your clarity of thought and your approach to work are impressive. Thank you, Priya. I truly appreciate this conversation. It felt very meaningful, and I will be happy to take the next steps whenever required. Wonderful. So, we'll get back to you.